Hello, and very much welcome to AutoFX live stream and live analysis. I still remember your humble host, Chris, and today episode we're just going to go over to the market and then discuss what we have done over the week and what we have done since we have not been on the screen. I mean, we have not been on for some times now, for some time. Okay, I'll say for one day we have not been on. So I'll just go over to the screen and then show you things that we have done and the trades that I have taken and things that I have looked to see set up and what I did when they do set up. So, and also a quick disclaimer again: this is not a financial advice. This is just for presentation purposes and then for educational purposes. So if you have to know that trading involves a lot of risk, and or be sure to always consult your own research before taking any trading decision. With that being said, I'll just go over to the screen. I will be with you guys for just let's say 45 minutes or 30 minutes or so thereabout, so I can discuss what I've done and what I'll be looking out for in moving further. So let's go over to the screen and we move into it. Cheers. So this is my watch list. Just like we used to do, I'll just go over from the top and then start sharing with you what I've done before. Okay. This is a 45 volatility 25, and I said I would like to see it come down to this zone. Eventually have not gotten to that zone, but I think it started pulling out from the zone. So let's see what's going on with it. It have not actually tested the green zone that I would like to see it get to. So my bias on this still remain seeing this get to this zone and then eventually start pushing out from there. So I want to see it get to this zone before start pushing out. So that's basically what I'm still looking out for on this one. I've not changed that. I was thinking it's going to get there from that last movement, but unfortunately it doesn't happen. So we still hold on to that and see what's going to happen. Then the next one is Volatility 100. Okay, I wanted to see this one go all the way down to this place, but it haven't happened. It doesn't happen, so I don't know what's gonna play out again. But what I have to do is to clean all this and all right. I'll clean all this and then keep an eye on that and see. Right, I'll just clean all the previous stuff. I'll keep an eye on that and see what's going to play out. I would I would like to see it get to any of this level, either the resistance level or the support level. So either of the above. So with anyone that played out first, we'll see what's going to happen out from there. Then if you look at it from 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, you can see that the 24 hour time frame rather. I mean daily time frame, you see that it's consolidating at this level. It have been trending up, but then it started consolidating at this level. Although we make these bearish movements, there was a lot of bearish momentum here, and they started consolidating at this level. So now I'm not interested in any other thing. I just wanted to be in this trade when it gets to the support or resistance of this range, and I will be selling and buying at the moment until otherwise. We'll still we stick with that until otherwise. So I will go over to another one, which is VIX 50. So what is going on with VIX 50? So VIX 50, VIX 51x is pretty much looking more bearish now, because this after this consolidation it broke down to the down part and then it also formed a double top. This is looking more bearish at the moment for me, but then to be on the safer side, I will still want to see come all the way up, clear some kind of liquidity around here, and then close back down to the zone. Just the initial my initial setup. So I'm just going to move it over to this place and keep it this way. This might happen, this might not happen, but if it does happen, that's a good confirmation for us. We can sell from there. But if it doesn't happen, then we leave it and then focus on another stuff that matters. So we have another one, 50. VIX volatility 50. Again, remember I'm handling synthetic indices. I'm not analyzing forex charts. And if you don't understand what the contract what I'm analyzing or the chart I'm analyzing, you can just look at my profile or look at my profile rather. Then you can see deriv.com link there. You can register with them and then you can start trading with them. So I'm trading with deriv.com. I'm not telling you that you must trade with deriv.com, but if you want to do what I'm doing, you can just look at my profile. You will see that under the description, and also I will be leaving that under the description of this video as well, so that you can go there and then click on it. And then if you've not joined my Telegram channel, where I share all the updates of the trades, and then for free. This is for free, it's not being paid. But if you want to join that Telegram, you can also as well join the Telegram channel, so that we will be smashing the market together. With that being said, I will continue. The next one is VIX 50. So VIX 50, what is going on with VIX 50? I think we made an analysis on that as well. So, okay, I said I want to see this come all the way up to this place and then retest that zone. That will be a break and retest of this particular downtrend, which I've just established, because it was just at the support, and then I would like to see it come all the way to that retesting that zone very well. I'm trying to make these charts more appealing so you understand what I'm saying. So if this is a previous support and you have just broken down from the support, I would like to see it come all the way up to this place, also testing the moving average and then retesting the breakout. Then I'll be on that for a sell. 75, let's see what we have on 75 is 24 hours. So I think 75 is still, we have not obeyed what we wanted to, we have not played out what we wanted to see play out, have not played out already. So on 75, we want to see it come all the way down. I think that have happened, but I was not watching yesterday. No, it didn't happen very well actually. I wanted to see it come all the way to this resistance that turned support. I wanted to see it come all the way to this place, come down all the way to this place, and then I will be able to look for a buy, but that did not happen. So I would still want to see, see that move down all the way to this place. Then I'll be looking for a buy from there. Until that happens, I think I'm not doing anything on that one for now, but I'll keep an eye on that. So, all right. So let's have a look at VIX 10. This one, 101x. Yesterday I left this trade just right here, and the trade reversed. I could have left the trade around here rather, but I left around here, which gave me a lot, enough loss. All right, so it's almost up to the stop loss, but it's fine. I'm not regret. I didn't regret so much that I left the trade, because some other time you continue all the way to the stop loss. But I left this trade earlier before I started moving up again. The reason why I took this trade was because it was the strong support, and then it have broken out of the supports and then formed like a double top and closed back up here in the daily time frame. That was why I took that trade. But what happened is it went all the way down and then still reversed back up. So there's a lot of stuff that played out on that trade, but it's all right. So I entered based on this daily candle, this bullish daily candle, which is also like an engulfing candle because it engulfed the previous day. All right, but then it didn't work out. I'm still thinking that this trade is going to continue moving up. But before I would like to get on this trade again, I would like to see it clear all these highs in the 24 hours. So if I go over to 4 hours, 1 hour rather, if I look at 1 hour, I would like to see it clear all these highs on 1 hour. I would like to see this 1 hour candlestick closing above here. Then I'll be on that for a buy. And if that happens and I get on buy, I will also drop down on the Telegram channel like I used to do, at least to drop all my the updates of the trades I'm taking. So the other one is what pair is this? Okay, this is crash 300, and I is still in the range. Like I said, I would like to see it go all the way up, come all the way up to this resistance. Then I'll be looking for a sell, but that have not happened. I would like to see that happen, and if that happens, I'll be very much happy to be on that for a sell until that happens. So let's look at VIX 10, normal VIX 10, volatility 10. What is going on with volatility 10? So if you look at volatility 10, yeah, it's at the middle of nowhere at the moment. We've also created this support around here. All right, we've also created support around there. If you look at it very well, let me have a look from the higher time frame, like a daily time frame, and see what is going on with the daily time frame. All right. I need to make the chart look more appealing. Okay, so like I said before, from what I just draw here, I wanted to see this get to either resistance or support, so I can look for buy or sell. But at the moment is you've created a kind of support here, so this is what I will be looking out for, because you have created some kind of rejection here, and then some kind of reaction there, rather not rejection, rather. Okay, so I would like to put a box here, and this box will serve as what I'll be looking out for. This box will be an entry signal. So what I want to see is I want to see 1 hour candle, or rather 4 hour candle closing below this particular box that I've just drawn. I will go over to 1 hour and see what it looks like, right? So because you have created some kind of support around this, so what I want to see this 1 hour closing below here with a strong bearish momentum. Then I'll be in that for a sell, and then my stop loss will be somewhere around here. Yeah, I think this is nice. I'll keep a very close eye on this. I mean, I'll watch this closely to see if that will play out. I'm thinking it's going to play out soon. So if that happens, volatility 10, if that happens, then I'll be on that for a sell. Alright, I will be on that for a sell. Just keep an eye on that. So the other one is boom 1000. Like I previously said, I want to see it get to a support before I will buy, but then it looks like it's not going to the support, it's going to the resistance rather. Okay, which is also a good thing. Then I said I want to see it get to the resistance and then break above the resistance and create some kind of retest before I will buy. If that happens, I will be very happy to buy from the resistance. But if that does not happen, then there's no problem with that. Then boom 300, boom 300, like I say before, yeah, I wanted to see it come down. Then it happens that it started booming, and then it went past this previous resistance and then crashed back into the range. So the chart is kind of messy at the moment, so I wouldn't like to be on this. Rather, I'll just have to leave that for the moment. Then 75 1x is okay. 75 1s, I would like to see it get to some of these zones, so I will know what to do next. When I see it get to some of these zones, I will know what to do next. Yeah. Until that happens, then there's nothing yet to be done about that. Then volatility, I mean step index 100 have broken out of this long daily range, and I think it's going to continue moving up, but I wanted to see some kind of pullback, where I will be able to take my entry and then also have a nice restructure. But if that does not happen, I don't think I can get on this trade anywhere around here, because it's just making high low without just like a straight line without any major pullback. So I would like to see a major pullback, maybe to any of this zone, and preferable to this previous broken level, which is now the support. I would like to see a major pullback to somewhere around here. Then I will be looking for a buy. All right, that's what I will pretty much want to see. So if that happens, I'll be fine with that. I'll be fine with that. Then this is the one that I took yesterday, and I was in a terrible loss. But it's all right. I recovered that loss today. So previously my bias on this is sell, because it's in a downtrend and they approach this proper resistance. But for some reason, it broke above the resistance and it took me off from here, and I made some loss yesterday. So what I did was I closed that entry. When I closed the entry, and I saw that is kind of giving some strong momentum around there, and the moving average, the 4-hour moving average, have also crossed to the upward direction. Have also curved to the upward direction, showing a lot of strong momentum. So what I did was I get on that trade and I bought it, and my target was this recent the next recent high. But what I did was I took some profit. I'm out of the trade now, so I would like to see this happen, which is preferable, which is also ideal situation. I want to see this come down to this resistance, which is now support, and then continue moving up. So that will be like a break and retest. This will be a better confirmation to be on this trade again. So until that happen, I just want to see that happen. So if that happens, then I'll be fine with this. So I think that is it, guys. That is it with all the pairs that I have here, and at the moment we just I think that's it. That's it, guys. With the pairs I have right here. Sorry, guys. It's having. Oh, God. Oh, what's it? I have a spill. All right. So if any of this happens, I will be very much happy to be on that for a buy. Sorry, guys. I was having a beep. Okay, so if that happens, I will be very happy to be on that for a buy. So with that being said, I think that's it for today. That's it for this afternoon, and I really appreciate your effort and your support by tuning in to watch what we just did. I really appreciate that, and I will continue to do this as often as time permits me. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I really appreciate. See you guys on the next one. I will be updating you if there's any entry. Like I said, I'm watching one of these pairs, which is right there, which is the volatility 10, number 10. Yeah, I've been watching that, and I said if what I'm looking out for plays out, which is if I see this break below this, and I will get on that for a sell, and hopefully that will happen. And if that happens, I will be on that for a sell. So that's it. And also this one, I said I would like to see like a pullback, which might happen today, might happen tomorrow, whenever. So I want to see like a pullback to this resistance zone. I mean, which is now a support, and I will be on that for a buy. Rather, also it depends on what happens. If there is a sort of rejection around there, I will buy. But if there is no rejection, I might think it's want to continue with the downtrend, because generally it's in a downtrend. If you look at it from 24 hours. Sorry, I'm talking fast, guys. I'm just rushing it. Alright. So if you look at it from 24 hours, unfortunately this is not showing me all the charts. But if you look at it from 24 hours, you will see that it's pretty much in a downtrend. From if you use another chart, maybe your MT5 chart, you see that. So that's it. I think that's it for now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I remain Chris, Auto FX.